And this is our bubble blowing barrel that we just made. So this is a real whiskey barrel that we're gonna turn into a giant bubble machine.
That's right. Oh, no, Daisy.
If you put your head in here, it smells just like whiskey. This is what it looks like. Echo! Echo!
We do fun stuff, right?
So you don't want your barrel right on top of sand, so we have these as the base. This is how you level properly.
Just like that.
He's a professional, actually.
Okay. Look at that. There you go. There's your base. See? Okay.
Oh, that's a cute picture.
Somebody told
There we go. We just made a bubble machine out of a whiskey barrel, and this is how we did it.
He's already made this wonderful hatch for us. I bought it from a guy in Tampa. And it had this beautiful hatch.
Does Uncle
If
Ronnie
yours,
have a hatch?
if yours doesn't have a hatch, build a hatch. But we didn't have to build the hatch. When you close it, it's able to close. When you open it, it's concealed. The bubbles will come out. This will also protect it from wind.
Oh.
Because you see what's happening now when the wind blows it, sometimes the bubbles aren't, being made the right way. This will protect it from wind. And I'm also going to have a cover over it to protect it from the weather. So when we have a party, you'll just open this up, push the button, and you can't have a party without bubbles. In order to get the bubble machine to sit at its level, I'm going to use cinder blocks.
Ah. Oh.
Now another one might make it too tall.
All right.
But what I'll probably do is,
You got any half ones?
well, I'll probably put this one like on its side, and then I'll look and see what height the bubble machine's at.
This is the bubble machine.
Backwards. She's yelling, let's go.
Oh!
There you
Whoa!
go.
Oh, the wind's kind of...
I'll probably get another block and bring it up one more level higher.
A half cinder block would be perfect.
Yeah, let me see if I can find a half cinder block.
But when it's not windy, it's perfect.
Yeah.
It goes straight up.
Yeah, that's great, isn't it? Look at that.
Great, like Disney.
Actually, that's really good. A little higher.
All right, we're going to go find a half cinder block.
Right? We got a bubble barrel.
Bubble barrel! So this was inspired because when we went to Hollywood Studios Disney, they had a trash can that had bubbles coming out of it. And we have an abundance of whiskey barrels. So a whiskey barrel bubble machine.
Did you get that?
Look at that.
Grandma would never walk through that. She's so brave.
Go wash it. No.
Breaking news.
No. Brother.
Give it to brother. He'll wash.
All right, so he was able to find this little one and then a half piece of concrete that it could basically be a table for the bubble machine. And it goes on its side. Oh, that's gonna be perfect.
And this might be too tall. Let's see. It's probably gonna be too tall. Oh,
I think
too
if
tall.
you got rid of that slab, it would be perfect. Maybe you could sit on the center.
Yep.
Here we go. Whoa! I think
What do
that's
you think?
perfect.
Oh my God.
Yeah!
Look at that. Look at that, would you? Let me push the button. See if you have a little lean on it.
Leaning a little bit.
Yeah, it helps you get all the bubbles out of the base. Let's see.
Whoa, you just made a bubble machine out of a whiskey
You
barrel.
like that?
No way.
This is not a paid endorsement, but the gazillion bubbles. I have a spare one I bought just in case that one goes down
On Amazon?
on Amazon.
How much was it?
$11.
Oh, wow.
The barrel was $60. So for $71, I have a bubble blowing barrel.